Hey everyone, and welcome to another crafting tutorial. Today we're going to work on creating an altered book. There are a few different interpretations of this kind of craft, the first being manipulating the book into a sculptural object like this. And the second approach is using it as more of a scrapbook, which is the route that I'll be taking. Essentially, you just want to use the pages of an existing book to create a new piece of art. There's no set material list for this, besides a book that you don't mind ruining, and it's not a step-by-step tutorial. I'll just be showing you what I did to give you some ideas. What I really like, and what I think is the most beneficial part of a craft like this, is that it's really a low-pressure way to get creative. If you don't like the way it's coming out, you can just flip the page and start again, and the best part is there's no blank canvas syndrome, meaning that you're never staring at a blank canvas just waiting for inspiration. You can get ideas straight from the text on the page, either the words or the shapes of the text block. I'm just going to be showing you 4 of the pages that I made. I didn't really map out or have any real concrete plans before I began any of them, and for some of them it kind of shows. And while I didn't plan ahead on the specific content of each page, I did have to plan ahead when making the incisions. So if you're going to be doing something with folding or cutting the page, like here I'm making a window, just make sure you go a page ahead so that way you're not cutting into the previous page that you made or wrecking any of your other designs. I tried something here called Blackout Poetry. You just take a Sharpie and you black out the lines of the text to create your own poem. I came up with this design because this is a book written by the Japanese author Haruki Murakami, so I did some Japanese cherry blossom trees. I'm a big fan of messy mixed media projects, and I found that this really lent itself to that. I was able to incorporate and experiment with a lot of different mediums. For this 2-page spread, I was sort of going for a whole bunch of different expressions on the right-hand side and different patterns on the left-hand side. I don't know, in my head, it seemed like the right thing to do. Now I'm just creating a template from a piece of cardboard. it didn't really work how I wanted it to. So I went ahead and ruined it some more. So that's the general idea of creating an altered book. It really is a fun project, and if you do the scrapbooking style, you really have to learn to embrace all of the mistakes that you make, which I think is a valuable lesson for all of us creatives out there. And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.